Hello. Hello. This is my plantation. The front of the garden. Mainly, I planted a lot of garlic. This is our old garlics. Garlic. And these are tulips. Small tulips and hyacinth. This one mainly garlic. And these, my strawberries are flowering now with the fruits. This one, they are my asparagus. Garlic. This one, there are varieties, different variety, but they are bearing fruits now. And this one is blueberry. They got fruits now as well. Potatoes, blueberry, garlic, loads of garlic. In here, nothing yet. I tried to plant onion there. And this one, it's another potatoes. And my cherry. This is my red cherry, covered with fruit. So I'm hoping they're all gonna pull through. Look at that. Cherry. I forgot to video them when they're blossoming. So much flowers. Look at that. It's only small one, maybe 6 foot, but give me loads of potential fruits. Thank you. My strawberries, my beautiful strawberries. Garlic. Thank you. Bye. That's my garden.